Welcome to Edisha Cabuyao East. Introducing Yama Townhouse. Yama Townhouse is a Japanese-inspired house and lot located at Barangay Kulod, Cabuyao, Laguna. With 42 square meter floor area and lot area of 15 square meter for inner unit and 75 square meter for end unit. With flexible payment terms, 10 to 15 minutes away to SLEX via Cabuyao exit, very accessible via C6 extension at guaranteed na malapit sa lahat. For only 10,000 reservation fee. Available through Pag-ibig and bank financing. Reselling stage at complete ang ating amenities. For tripping and reservation, please send us a message now.